Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best wood crack filler is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any woodworker's arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend DIY enthusiast, dealing with cracks, holes, and imperfections in wood is a common challenge. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of wood crack fillers, exploring different types, application techniques, and helping you choose the perfect product to achieve flawless results. Number 5. Gorilla Wood Filler, Natural Finish, 16 ounce. Need to fix cracks, gouges, or holes? This is the product you need. It's tough and water resistant, perfect for a variety of projects. The unique formula spreads easily, providing a smooth, natural finish. It blends seamlessly with the wood, making repairs look professional. Whether it's indoors or outdoors, this wood filler is up to the task. It's water resistant and won't shrink or crack, ensuring long-lasting results. Customize the repair to match your project. This filler is designed to be paintable, stainable, and sandable, giving you complete control over the final look. It's not just for looks, this wood filler also anchors nails and screws. It's a versatile addition to any carpenter's toolkit, providing both repair and reinforcement. What we like. This wood filler is water resistant, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. It also anchors nails and screws, providing added durability. If you have outdoor furniture or frequently work on projects exposed to the elements, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. The application was smooth and easy to control, and once cured, it held up impressively, even in direct heat and sun exposure. After sanding and staining, the repair blended seamlessly with the surrounding wood, making the fix practically invisible. The filler has a nice, smooth texture that's easy to spread with the included putty knife. No mess, no fuss. Number 4. Minwax Stainable Wood Filler, 16 ounces. Introducing Minwax Stainable Wood Filler. This latex formula is designed to be stainable and paintable. It works with all Minwax stains, both oil and water-based. This durable filler is perfect for fixing imperfections. It's great for cracks, gouges, nail holes, and other issues on unfinished wood surfaces, both inside and outside. Apply a generous amount of the filler to the damaged area. Press it firmly into place using a putty knife. Fill slightly above the surface to allow for sanding, and remove any excess. Allow the wood filler to dry completely. Drying time depends on the depth of the repair. Shallow repairs usually dry within 2 hours. For deeper holes, fill in layers, allowing several hours for each layer to dry. Minwax has been a leading brand in wood finishing since 1904. It offers a complete line of products to meet all your wood finishing needs. You can trust it to help you keep on finishing. This product is a wood filler. It is designed to repair and restore wood surfaces. The filler is stainable and paintable. It can be customized to match your existing wood finishes. What we like. This wood filler is stainable and paintable, allowing for a seamless finish that matches your existing wood. It's designed to repair cracks and other imperfections. If you are looking to match the existing stain of your furniture, this product will be your best choice. What people say. The product works great for filling cracks in wood. It is easy to apply and dries quickly. The filler is sandable and paintable, allowing for a seamless finish. Number 3. Katzco 34-piece wood repair kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for touch-ups. It comes with markers, wax crayons, wood fillers, and applicators. It's designed to make repairs easy and effective. The kit includes a range of colors like white, black, and cherry. You can easily blend these to match various wood finishes. This ensures a seamless repair every time. Use the markers to fix minor scratches on your furniture. It's perfect for floors, desks, and bedposts. It keeps your wood surfaces looking fresh and well-maintained. Each marker is 5.5 inches long, providing full coverage. They dry quickly, leaving no residue behind. This makes the repair process quick and efficient. The crayons are crafted with durable wax. This fills in deep scratches and chips effectively. It creates a smooth, polished finish that matches your wood grain perfectly. What we like. This kit offers a complete set of tools, including markers, wax crayons, and fillers, for various wood repair needs. The variety of colors allows you to match different wood finishes. If you like a comprehensive solution for minor touch-ups and repairs, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. These wood filler paints are beyond amazing. I mixed mahogany with black to match our wood. The cabinets look beautiful. Number 2. Deuvuo Black Wood Filler Paste. Are you tired of unsightly cracks and holes in your wood furniture? This product is designed to quickly and easily fix those imperfections. It's a must-have for any woodworking project. This black wood filler is designed not to shrink or crack, ensuring a flawless finish. It accepts any finish or stain, saving you both time and money. You can even mix it with pigments. This innovative product is user-friendly for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It's easy to use and provides excellent results, making it the perfect choice for any project. Whether you're repairing furniture or finishing a floor, this product is perfect for you. Sand, stain, and seal with ease, saving you significant time. It's the ideal solution for all your woodworking needs. This black wood filler is ideal for various applications, including furniture repair and more. Say goodbye to unsightly imperfections. It's trusted by countless DIY heroes. What we like. This black wood filler is designed for professional results, offering excellent adhesion and easy sanding. It is suitable for a wide range of applications, from furniture repair to craft projects. If you are looking for a high-quality, easy-to-use filler that delivers professional results, this is the one. What people say. Dries nice and sands well. It takes paint as expected. I really like the container for being tight enough to keep it from drying out in between projects. Number 1. Varathane 215214 Dark Walnut Wood Filler. Dealing with scratches, gouges, or holes in your wood furniture. This is the perfect solution. It's designed to make those imperfections disappear. Whether it's your cabinets, trim, or even wood floors, this filler works great. It's a versatile product for all your wood repair needs. This water-based formula ensures that it won't shrink or crack over time. It provides a durable and lasting repair. You won't have to wait long for it to dry. It dries hard to the touch in just 1 hour, saving you time and effort. Once fully cured, it's strong enough to hold nails and screws. This makes it ideal for more complex repairs and projects. Remember to sand the surface smooth before applying any stain or topcoat. This will help to achieve a flawless finish. What we like. This wood filler uses a water-based formula that prevents shrinking or cracking, ensuring a durable repair. It dries quickly, saving you time on your projects. If you are looking for a reliable and fast-drying solution for your wood repairs, you should consider it. What people say. Perfect match. Works very well. The filler was easy to use. I taped off the area, smeared it in, let it dry, then sanded flat to the floor. Works well for small, easily unnoticeable flooring areas, but doesn't work well for larger, easily noticeable areas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.